welcome back to the Khadija L channel. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on a quick weave wig. I wanted to do this tutorial today because a lot of people don't know how to sew onto dome caps or how to sew a wig at all. So you're going to use your own head, and the only thing you really will need is a dome cap today to do this method. It's less than 30 minutes. It's very easy. Some of us don't even want our wigs to last too long because we're constantly changing them. So I decided to do this quick weave. So you want to go to your nearest beauty supply store and get what I hold up. It's your do-it-yourself wig dome cap. And since I don't have a shower cap, I'm going to be using a plastic bag. Yes, the getaway. You need your 30-second glue, some scissors, a rat tail comb, and also that's the makeup that I will be using in a Ruby Kisses, the color 16. So right now I'm just going to show you guys the lace closure that I have. It's a 4x4, and you know, at first I start off, and like in any other video, I put my makeup on my lace closure. As you can see what side I use because it's almost gone. So I want to put my makeup on the back of my lace closure, and I want to put my makeup on the front of my lace closure. I do that because I want it to perfectly blend in with my skin, and that will help you get that undetectable lace, like, you know, that good melt. The glue, of course, but see right there how it blends in with my skin. Yes, you need that makeup. The makeup works wonders, you guys. I placed my dome cap on my head, and I just cut off that extra plastic that I had around. And as you can see, I glued the perimeter of the lace. You want to make sure you glue the perimeter of the lace, and you want to place it onto your dome cap. I also want to come up with my hairline a little bit. I want to place it above, as you can see, the dome cap, not directly on, so you see a little bit of the plastic because I brought the closure up some, and you want to make sure you do that as well. So right now you're just going to see me go back and forth to make sure that I glue the lace closure down. If you're not quite sure if that is sticking, you can go ahead and use your blow dryer to make sure that the glue is sticking to the dome cap, and also just double check back and forth like I'm doing now. See, I'm lifting it up, pushing it back down. This really helps as well. Pin the hair up on the lace closure, I want to go ahead and lay my first track. And like I've shown you in my other videos, when I do my quick weaves on my head, I like to lay my first track from one end of the lace closure to the other end of the lace closure, just for that when the wind blows that you won't see any of my other tracks. It creates that illusion. And then after I lay that first track, I just start laying my other wefts just across like you would do any other quick weave. And I think I inserted the clip where I sprayed the Got to Be Glued onto the dome cap to act as a base. You can use Spritz, Got to Be Glued, any holding spray, and this will just help your tracks stick a whole lot more, you know, stick a whole lot more to the dome cap. So as you can see right now, I'm just gluing that weft. I'm just bringing the glue down the weft. So if you're watching this video, you probably already know how to do a quick weave anyway. So I'm just gonna really speed through the process. And here you go with the Got to Be Glued that I was talking about, just spraying it on your home cap so it can just act as an adhesive just to hold, you know, the glue in place. So yes, Got to Be Glued. around to the back to show you guys how I'm laying my wefts, just straight across as you can see, and I just go back and forth with that motion. Watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel yet, just please take 1 second and hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notifications every time I post a video. Thank you. Track, I take my blow dryer and I just blow dry the glue in place. I just make sure that all the tracks are sticking to the dome cap, and as you can see, I am sweating because that plastic bag is no joke, you guys. But anyway, I just go ahead and blow dry, press down, blow dry, just to make sure all the tracks are sticking to the dome cap. So as you can see right now, I'm just going to go ahead and take that wig off, take that cap off my head, and now we're done. And right now, you're going to make sure you do this part right here. You want to cut off that excess dome cap from the back of that lace. So right now I'm just zoomed in just to show you guys what I mean about that. You just want to cut that dome cap out, like, see how that lace is exposed now? You just want to make sure you cut that piece out and don't get too close to the side that you glue, because you might cut the lace off of the dome cap. So when you finish cutting that out, it should look just like it did in the previous clip. And then I'm just going to place my wig back on, and as you can see, it looks like a regular wig. You can't even tell that it's a Quickweave wig or anything, just because it does look actually good. Like, it looks, I just love it. And as you can see, you see how your lace blends in with your skin, like it just looks like scalp because you use your makeup properly. So with what I'm doing now is parting out the back, and I just want to flat iron that piece down or hot comb it down just to cover the track. So you just want to make sure you do that. Make sure you part out that piece in the back. So right now you're just going to see me play around with it, and I'm going to start to style it. And by the way, this can be a glueless wig, and right now I'm just showing you how you can sew it down to your head if you're not comfortable just making it glueless. You can part your hair and braid it, sew it onto that first braid, and for the back you can just do the same thing, part your hair and pull the wig down some and sew it on the braid in the back. And this will just give you a more secure fit, just in case you're scared that, you know, somebody might snatch it off or it might come off, which it won't if you use your got to be glue. But you can also take this wig off anytime you please, anytime you want, and you can even sew an elastic band on the inside of the wig to make it glueless, to make it snug to your head more if the dome cap is a little too big. So right now, like I've said before, you're just going to see me styling the wig, and this is my Bio Silk that I use in every video. This serum, I just use this because it gives me this silky straight look, and I just love it. It tames the flyaways and everything. So you're just going to see me rub that into my hair, and you're going to see me style the wig, and please stay tuned for the finishing touches. So in this clip, I parted my hair in the back, and right now I'm just sewing down the wig like I showed you before. I'm sewing it on the braid in the back of my head, and like I said, this just helps me have a more secure fit. And I just sewed it down for this video because I usually don't sew it because I take my wigs off at night. So right now I'm just going to start styling the wig, flat iron it, and I'm using my straightener comb, and my straightener comb just allows me to get a more flatter experience. And after this, I will go in with my hot comb for the middle. As you can see, it's kind of lumpy and I hate that look. I like my installs to be super flat. To start cutting off that extra lace, and I want to go into kind of zigzag motions. You don't want to really cut straight across because at that point you can tell. And look how that lace just blends in with my skin before I put any glue or anything. Like, I just love it. So this is what I mean by the wig can be glueless. Like, you don't really need any glue or anything to hold the wig down. So just before, you saw me hold up my semi-permanent dye, and right now I'm just going to define that hairline because I think I plucked a little too much in that area. So this right here just closes that hairline up and gives it a more natural look. So I'm gonna just go in with my dye and my spoolie, and I'm just going to straighten that out, and as you can see, it looks very nice. Like, I really love this. It is just so beautiful and so easy. So if you do not know how to sew on a dome cap, this is the video that you need to watch. Like, you will love this very quick install with the Quickweave. And right now I'm just pressing that lace down into my skin. I went and sprayed some Got to Be Glued on my hairline so I can remove this wig at night if I want to. I didn't use any ghost bond or anything. I just sprayed a little Got to Be Glued, and I just went ahead and started to blow dry that. And I'm just going to continue to style and blow dry this just so that it can stick. And as you can see, that lace is laid, honey. You can't even tell. Like, it looks absolutely beautiful. Straight scalp, honey. Melted. I love it. Thank you guys for watching so much. And don't forget to tune in on my next video. And please hit that subscribe button.